Now, while I can't help you out with the chicken wings, flank steaks, I got you covered. Let's make our way over to our flank freezer. We got them. We got 1 box, 2 box, about to fill that one up, and we got a backup box. And we have 6 new boxes launching on our website and in store this week. They're gonna be at a lower price point, so whether you're coming to see us at our retail store in Springtown, or if you wanna have them shipped to you, we have some smaller boxes on there. You can absolutely add on to that. We look forward to seeing your guys' order come through.